Okay, so you gotta admit, that's a lot of functionality built into the new custom segments within Google Analytics. But with all good things, there are limitations. And now let's review those. First of all, segments are only created and used within the custom Explore reports. While there's comparisons within the reports area, they're fairly limited, much like the templated segments that we saw earlier. Custom segments can only be used within the Explore report they're created upon, much like dimensions, much like metrics. If you create a blank report or start from scratch, you're going to have to also start from scratch in creating all of your different segments. You can only have 10 segments in a report at any given time. That said, you have a limit of 3 to 4 to be used within a separate report at any given time. Last but not least, segment data is sampled. However, this will probably not affect most users, as you need 100 million rows in order for that to start to come into effect. And that's quite a bit.